All right, so this is a typical Goslyn installation. This is actually a right to left installation. We'll talk about some of the opportunities that we have and the options as far as going right to left or left to right. It is a bidirectional unit. Again, this is inside the installation guide that is included with every unit as well. You can tell here we've got a floor sink to the right, so we ended up going in through the inlet, out through the outlet, and around, and then we also plumbed the silt valve directly to the floor sink as well. Let me show you a few things inside. So in this particular one, because we're going this direction and we want the oil valve in front, we installed the oil valve on the front side, the breather valve in the back, the oil collection cassette with the shroud, and the heater. On the back side, we put the blank plate as well as the plug where the heater could go on the back side as well. Some of the considerations that you might have on this when you install it, make sure it's an area where you have access to the strainer basket, and make sure the unit sits fairly level. It doesn't have to be perfectly level, but it does have to be fairly level. If we're going to go left to right and you need it to be, and the floor sink was on the other side, you could install with a street elbow and have it come out and run around and go to the floor sink in the back. Of course, this would be flipped around. These would be going out that side as well. So again, biggest considerations when you're rolling this is to make sure you've got access to empty the strainer basket and you have access to the oil valve.